Alright, so now that our Piscal app is ready to go, we're ready to make our first three sprites, and we're going to do it in 2 frames. So we're going to make this Space Invader on frame 1 along with the rocket ship on frame 1, and then we'll make the second sprite of the Space Invader on frame 2. So just a couple thoughts. If I was doing this again, I would use the rectangle tool. I already have blue selected. Start off with something, maybe like this. And then I could also do some lines. And really what I'm doing is just setting up the spot where the eyes are going to go. So my eyes go up in the upper corner until it looks like this, and then you can build from here. And I would do my antennas, my legs next, until it looks something like this. So that would be my first sprite, and about, now yours can look slightly, it doesn't have to be perfect, this is just about what we're trying to do. Next thing you're going to do is go to your rocket ship layer. So you'll click that, we're going to change the color. Now you're going to want a white color or gray color. You select that, and now you're ready to start. For mine, you'll notice I just, made it look like it had 2 little wings, and guys, it's up to you. You can make yours how you want, but you could see the proportions, which is what it's important, and keeping it all the way in the lower corner, which is important as well. So that's how we're going to make our rocket ship. Again, you can kind of click back and forth as you're making yours, but that's how I made mine. Okay, so the last step for this is we're going to make the last sprite that we'll need. So we're going to go lower right hand corner. You know it says duplicate frame, and it does in fact duplicate it. I'm going to switch back layers now, and we're going to go to our alien. And if we look at the other one, all we're doing is the feet come in and the arms go down. And the tools you need for this then are just the eraser. So we're going to erase that, erase that. We can have the pencil come back in, and whoops, Control Z, that was a mistake. Need to select blue. Just come down, there we go. Control Z. So you can see that. My proportions are a little off, so honestly I'd spend a little more time on this if this was going to be a final one that I'm keeping. Just erase, erase, erase. And then I come back to my pen. We're just going to add that little spot like so. Like that. And there you go. So now I have my 2 frames like this. We haven't done any movement. You can see my rocket ship is there, and in the upper right hand corner, if I was to enlarge this, here's what it looks like so far. And you are now done with part 2. And our next step is we're going to start moving these and then adding the ship firing and making this cool. So go ahead and do it. Good luck.